All right. What's up, you guys? I don't know if the audio is working. It looks like it is working. How are you doing? Let me just make sure that we're live in the right places. Should be good. No one cares about your games on Twitch. I should actually game on Twitch. I don't do that. But I'm in the wrong place. The wrong place. Gotta switch my account because I'm in the Let It Burn channel right now. So give me a second if you are here. Thank you for waiting. Got 84 people watching. That's what it shows so far. All right. I think we're good. Hello, Matt. Good morning. Good morning, brother. What's up, Matthew? Any thoughts about farm right now? Not right now. I have no major thoughts about farm. It's kind of the same as they've always been. Let's see. Ricardo from Singapore, thank you for watching. Hey, Matt. Hi, good morning, Matt. Hello. Good morning. Did you see the stuff I sent you on Discord? I did see a couple of them. I've been pretty busy, so I haven't seen anything on my phone. But I did see a couple of them. Good morning, bear market still. The thing is that we keep flip-flopping, right? Yes, I think it's a bear market, but when we get to situations like where we ended the day, so when we get to a point around 4 p.m., we're going to be at our lowest point at 19,000, and then we're going to see a massive gain because of the fact that we're going to see a 24-hour cutoff, right? 24 hours from 4 to 4, you can see that where we are now is higher than where we were when we started the morning yesterday, which is a good thing. I like seeing that. That shows positivity, but I want like a firm cutoff. If we could find a firm cutoff, that would be the easiest way to do that. I just wanted to start your day on a good note. Enjoy the feed. Well, thank you, Richard. Thank you for that super chat. I really appreciate that. That did start the day on a good note. So thank you. Hey, Matt, I like what I woke up to. I think we are in the clear. I don't know what in the clear means, but I definitely was thinking that we were going to see more consolidation because this is a very low point where we are. A ton of other people and experts and YouTubers and authors, whatever, I don't know what to call them, article writers. They are basically predicting that things will still drop a lot more. Down to 12,000, 14, 12, 10,000. Some people mention 5. And to tell you the truth, nobody knows where we're going. My opinion is that we are seeing consolidation now, and this is the low point. Where we were at 17,000 was the low point. We came back from that low point, and now we're sort of consolidating. Yes, we're seeing 19,000 and 20,000. Those are no longer like solid resistance points. We look at the lowest resistance point as the 17,000 mark, or 17,700. Math. How are you today? I'm doing pretty good. Can't complain. Yo. Netherlands with love. Well, thank you. Thank you for watching. Watching from Ghana. Well, thank you for watching. So many people from so many different places. I appreciate that. Guys, if you have the chance, hit the like button. That does help out quite a bit right when you get in here. And, if we stay at, 200, my hair is dripping. We get at 200 viewers and 200 likes. That would be amazing. I bought this new chair. I finally got my new chair, and, it feels way better than the old one. You can actually, I think, see the old one in the mirror over here. Matt, do you think we are going 28K or back to local lows of 17 first? So I don't think so. I think we're going to see consolidation around these lows, and then we'll see it take off on a random date. Right? I don't think it will be something that we can 100% predict, but I don't think we're going back lower than 17. I think we could possibly see 18, but hovering between 19 and 21 is really the level that I see. All cryptos traded with the US dollar are embedded in the US public debt dollar. 14th Amendment public dollar constitutional. You lost me here, but okay. I want delicious cheap Bitcoin in 3 weeks. Matt is the drying out volume bothering you? What? Is the drying out volume bothering you? I don't know what that means. Good morning. The idea is for it to drop down to 13 euro, around 15 to 17K dollars. What do you think about Litecoin? I have Litecoin. I like it. I hold it over in crypto.com, and I stake it over there. So, I mean, I like it. I'm not a person that holds a lot. I only hold like 8, but at the current price, I don't even know where the price is. I think it might be a better bet than where I have it at. Because I bought it at $100. Am I spelling this right? I bought it at $100 and it's sitting at 54. So it's definitely at a lower point. We are seeing this at a higher point from where it was yesterday morning, but we are seeing this at a way lower point than where we were. Up in that $100, $120 mark, and we're seeing this at major lows. Again, there's so many different opportunities, and I think everything out there has an opportunity. It depends how much opportunity, because as we see bull markets, things do change, right? When it comes to overall, top 10, top 20, top 25 coins, even the top 100 will change. Because others get stronger. Others come on and have a better use case, have a stronger use case. People believe in it more. You have more investors, all of that stuff that factors into a higher market cap or a higher average market cap. So will Litecoin be just as valuable as it was in the last bull run? I think it will be just as valuable, but when it comes to being on the list of popularity, so by market cap basically, I don't think it will be as popular as it was. Matt, have you ever heard of Asylum? No, I haven't. Have you heard of Cult DAO? I have heard of Cult DAO from a couple of people. Longer crypto is down, the more we can load up. I'm grabbing all I can at the bottom. Yeah, I mean that's the way to go. That is the way to go. Good morning, everybody. Smash the like button, peeps. Do you like Kadena? I've seen Kadena. I'm okay with it. I don't see any red flags, so that's good. We did see a little bit more of like a rise within this bear market, right? I don't know where the absolute low is, but I don't like seeing any type of rise within a bear market, because then you're not getting a full experience to the potential, right? Because you're seeing that rise within this bear market or a bear market, and the way that it, or how far it moves up, it only moves up maybe a 2x or 3x or something like that, versus being at their lows because they were well established and seeing that skyrocket. Matt, you looking to buy another coin to add to your portfolio? Stick with what you got. So I'm looking to stick with what I got. I'm actually looking to let me actually go show you my screen. So I'm actually looking to take some of these, or some of this these coins here, and consolidate them. So, maybe Quant, maybe Suki, or whatever I'm looking to, or Suku, I'm looking to consolidate a lot of them into positions that I want to focus on. And I like doing stuff like that. So I do want to do that. What's your opinion on MetaMask wallet versus Trust wallet? I like MetaMask. It's just easy to use. Trust wallet, it's easy to use as well. I just like the fact that I can link Trust wallet to my Chrome, right? And I can easily switch through different networks. It's just, I don't know. It seems easier to me. Um, but Trust Wallet has some more features that I haven't explored. Do you think Shiba Inu will gain or lose a zero this summer? So I think it will gain another zero. If it loses another zero, so going lower than 0.000009, if it goes to 0.00000009, then that gives me a whole new opportunity to buy a billion at $900. So I definitely will take that. But I don't think that's happening. I think we will see it at a higher level, a way higher level, where it will lose a zero. However, depends how much has been burned off to say whether we will go far above that, losing a zero and getting to 0.0001, and going to 2, right? That would be double that price, which 0.0001 would be a $50 billion market cap. Let me see. When is Coinbase Pro going to end? Are you moving to advanced trade? I don't know when it's going to end. I don't know if it is going to end. I haven't heard any news on that. I like Coinbase Pro a lot more. I like using that platform. So I don't know. I feel like Shibarium hopes will keep it up. For Shiba Inu, so if you haven't seen my last video talking about Shiba Inu, I mean, anything could happen with Shibarium, and it just pisses me off that we're not getting any other information. I mean, we don't get any other information with anything else, but it makes it seem like Shibarium isn't real, like Shibarium is not a thing, right? They don't talk about it much. They just say when Shibarium or Shibarium's coming or something like that. They don't give you any type of detail, testing information, on nothing. So it's making me think that Shibarium is not real. It's not going to be a thing. And even if it is real, every time we have something that we're excited about and we think that Shiba Inu is going to play a big part in it, which it should, they end up just bringing in their own coin, bringing in Bone, or bringing in Leash or whatever. And it sucks because I don't know what they're going to focus on, right? I hope they have a burn. We don't know what the burn rate's going to be. So I don't think. I felt that also, but gives people hope with SHIB, and they keep accumulating. Yeah, it does. It does give people hope with SHIB, but understand that a lot of things that they built don't really affect SHIB at all. So it's not about SHIB is not the ecosystem. The ecosystem is something completely different. SHIB is the community. We know that. It's just what is the community doing to improve this situation? We thought that the ecosystem was a part of the community, but if they're not listening to the community and what we want, then how are they a part of the community? They know what we want. So many people want SHIB to do the same thing, to burn off the supply, to get it to, higher potential prices. But it's not happening. So we need to find a way to get to that point. Which to invest 1K or 2K? Whatever you want. I'm not going to tell you what to invest. It depends what your financial situation is. We don't get updates from the devs at all. I think it's beginning to make people not want Shiba or lose hope for Shiba. So I actually don't fully agree with that. It is making people that are holding Shiba say like, oh, you know what? these devs aren't doing anything. So now what are we going to do? Kind of like that thought. So I agree with you there, but we're seeing more and more holders that are holding Shiba Inu versus, you know, people that are selling Shiba Inu. When we saw different information that was coming out, like the burn portal, like being able to buy land with SHIB, we were losing holders, and now we are gaining holders back. And we're back to a point where we are close to 1.2 million holders, and I don't even know if we're there yet. But we're at 1.186 million holders when we were down to 1.13 or 1.123 million holders. So we're definitely seeing an increase in the amount of holders without any type of news, because it's all based on speculation. So I do think that people believe in SHIB by itself, and the more that we tell people the ecosystem is not Shiba Inu, is not the community, the more they will understand that we kind of need to do this on our own. We shouldn't sit here and ask anybody else to do this for us. We shouldn't tell them, hey, give us or throw us a bone, throw us something, some sort of burn rate or whatever. They should be willing to do that if they care about Shiba Inu. But since they don't physically care about Shiba Inu, they care about the amount of people that are a part of Shiba Inu, using the image as a mascot and then selling their own thing. We obviously have to see that we need to try and do this on our own. And the things that we're building, SHIB Superstore, building the Brickbusters game and every game that they implement, I think we need to find a way to build this thing on our own. I think once we get an understanding of how Shibarium works, and if we can, flow things through Shibarium, then that will be an amazing thing to do, because then maybe we can run games, play to earn games through Shibarium. We can run play to burn games through Shibarium, something like that. And hopefully the burn portal will run through Shibarium. Hopefully things in the metaverse will run through Shibarium. Wellies, all of that, right? We see everything connect together, but right now we don't have that vision. Shibarium is real, but it will take way longer than most people think to go live. Well, that doesn't make... I understand it should take longer because of how long it took others to do so. But with those examples, it actually makes things a lot easier. And if they give a timeline in saying, or an aggressive timeline, then it should be around that timeline. How much Cronos do you currently hold? About 63,000. I think that's what it is. Yeah, 63,000. ShibDev should have to answer to us and tell us when things are coming out. We own this coin, not them. 100% true. The problem is that they're building other projects. The other projects are right now not affiliated with those coins or with that coin. Shiba Inu is something completely separate. While we own Shiba Inu, they own everything else, because it's their ecosystem they're building. Just like if we build an ecosystem, anybody can build around Shiba, but nobody owns Shiba. That's really what it's all about. All right, let me, I think I'm trying to go live real quick. Give me a second. Boom. All right. So I'm just going to go live on TikTok as well. All right, so we have 448 people here, and we have 151 likes. Guys, hit the like button if you can. It does help out quite a bit. We have 3 people watching over on Twitch. Thank you for watching. If you are not following on Twitch, feel free to go and follow. Let's fly is back. See, every time Erica or I open up the door, the back door at night to let Emmy out, more of those like gnats and flies come in here and they come straight down here because this is the light that's on like pretty much all the time. And it's always here. So it freaking sucks. But anyways, yeah, hit the like button. We'll figure that out. Shiba Inu raised money and they made 2 more tokens and did land sell to raise money, but it takes a lot of money to make a blockchain and maintain it. And how many validators will there be? Interesting. Coinbase has been holding my wrap Luna hostage since 5/27, and what makes matters worse is that per contract it should be pegged to Luna 2.0, not the same. Software update. I care about a software update. I mean, I kind of care about a software update. How's everybody doing on TikTok? We got 18 people that are watching. What the fuck was that? That was a little ridiculous. Turn down this volume a little bit. That didn't scare the shit out of me. Hey Matt, you buy 1 billion SHIB yet? No, I didn't buy 1 billion SHIB yet. Just like I said, I as I start to look at different situations, I look for the lowest point to obviously buy it at, and I would obviously love to see a point to where I can buy 1 billion for 900, because no way did I think we would get down to this point where I can buy 1 billion for what, about $10,000 right now. If I can buy 1 billion for $1,000, that's definitely a good thing. I would love to see that. And that's like 0.000001. We got 141 people over on TikTok. If you guys can double tap that screen, just hit the like button and get some more people in here. If you have any questions about crypto, feel free to ask. And we can talk about what's going on, where my opinion is of the entire crypto market.